So I was called to program this vehicle. You can see immobilizer active. When I start it will start, but it goes off quickly. That means immobilizer is active. So what I'm going to do is I'm now scanning to see the fault code in the system. Then I'll save them. After saving them, I'll erase everything. Then I'll go and do cloning. I'll clone the board. I have the old board already, so I'll clone it to this so that the car could start. Then we'll see if the fault code will come up again. So I'll do that. So let me see. Transmission, control module, radio. So I'll erase all the fault code. But before that, I'll save it. Then after saving it, I know this is what I'm doing. Then I'll go and do the cloning setup. So it's a training section also. I'm training a workshop. So I'll erase all the fault code. Then first let me save the report. Skip. Okay. So I'll generate a report and save it so that after everything I can come back to it. But for now, it is having immobilizer active, and I'm going to clone the control board to see if everything will be okay. So let me go to save. Okay. Post scan. So let me save it and okay. So let me save it now. Let me go back and remove the control board and go in. But before that, let me erase the fault code. It's having evaplic, validator. So let me do the other ones. Let me do the cloning and see the fault code that will remain. Most of the U codes are because the board is not original or the board is not having the correct VIN and other things. So I'll erase everything then. Yeah, I'll do the erasing, then I'll go and do the cloning. You can see the P and everything is okay. So let me finish it and come back. So after erasing the fault code, now the only fault I can see is the evap leak, and let me finish the cloning and see if that fault will come back again. Let me finish the cloning and see if that fault will come back again. Yeah. So let me check the ECU information, advanced version. Oh no, not this. I want this. Yeah. I want the ECU information. So this is 2.0. Can I? Yep. 2.0 kVm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone one-on-one board. Then I'll see what I can do. Thank you for watching. So now we are done with it, and it has given us the pinout. So we use the pinout to connect to the ECU, this ECU. So we just check it and fix the pins into it, then we'll move to the next stage. So now I'm done connecting the used ECU. So now I'm coming to read the used ECU. Go back and connect and see if it will be able to connect. If it doesn't connect, I have to switch my 9 and my 6. It was looking like they were confusing me. So now let me wait for it to securely enter it or securely connect to it. Then I'll know what to do from here. Okay, so it looks like now it is connected successfully. So click on it, then wait for it to connect. So what I'm going to do is I'll back up EEPROM first, then I'll give it a name, which is origin, which means original. I'll add original to it. Then after the 2 backups, after that I'll do also the flash. Then I'll name it origin. Then I'll connect this used ECU and see how best I can connect to it. I can do the cloning. So it's now reading the EEPROM. So I'm just training them on how to use these machines. So I think it is done. So I'll save it. Then I'll try to read. So let me add origin to it, which means original. Let me add it here so that I could see it quickly. Origin. So let me go back and click confirm. So I should know where I'm saving it. Okay, I have other ones here, so I'll add it to it. So that means I'm done backup successfully. And let me do the flash also. So on the other one too, I'll do the same cloning, but that one what I'll do is with that one I back it up because if it doesn't, you have to restore it back and check. And with this machine, they have some file they call immooff, but I've not tried it. Immo shut down, so I've tried it because they can't connect with immobilizer. So I'll do the cloning first, then I'll see the best I can go about it. So I'll wait for the flash to also securely log in. Then you can see it is read. It need to take time, so I have to hold on. So I have to pause and bring you back after it is done reading. I'm done reading the flash, so I've added flash to it so that it will not confuse me. So I've added the flash to it. So what I'll do now is I'll just save it. Okay, so now the so what I'll do is I'll disconnect the user to clone this one. So with this one, I've connected the used one that I want to clone. So with this one, I'm trying to read the flash. I'm trying to write the flash onto the vehicle. So you can see restore successful. So I'll do the restoration of the flash also. I did the EEPROM first, so I'll select the original flash from the car's control board to the used one and try and run it and see if everything will be okay. So if there is any issue, so you can see the original one is on top and the used one from the junkyard is on top. It's down. So with this one, I'll wait for the restoration to be done. When it is done, it will tell me. Then I'll go and place it on the vehicle and start it. So I'm now waiting for the restoration to be done. Okay, you can see now it has started writing the flash. It will take long because flash details are long, are huge files. So I'll wait for it to finish. It is almost done with the restoration, and you can see. So after doing the cloning, I'll go and place it on the vehicle and start, and the immobilizer light has to go off. The immo active light has to go off. So I'll wait for it to finish the restoration. So now data restore successful. So I'm done with it. So now what I'm going to do is I'll disconnect it and reconnect it and see. If I'm done with the connection, then I'll go and place it, the used one, you can see the label on it, onto the car, then see if everything is okay. But for now, I'm waiting for it to log in, then I'll go and place it on the vehicle and see if it starts and there's no immobilizer issue, then I'll call it a fix. What's up? So now I'm able to connect it successfully, and yes, so I'll go and place it on the car, then I'll call it a fix. Moment of truth, now the control board is fitted onto the car, and wow, we still have immo active. Let me use the fault code and see, or let me start the vehicle. Hey, Masa, watch. What's the thing after the cloning? Everything is right. I have the VIN number in the control board, but so you can see the VIN number 126. So what I'll do is I'll have to do immooff for the file. So that's what I'm going to do. Function which we call immo shutdown. So I'll use that to select the file and see if I'll be able to. So let me do the original file. So that's the EEPROM. So select the original, then press OK to upload into the server. Then we will work on it so that they will turn the immooff file. So with this immooff file, that's what I'm coming to write into this ECU. Then after that, so let me save the file immooff. So this thing, what I'll do is save it. So that means I know I've saved that immooff. Then let me do, okay, so let me save it here. So the file is saved successful. So let me do the flash also. Then let me select the flash of the original. So there is the flash for the original. So I will select that. Okay, that's selected. Then I'll try and do the immooff. So when the immooff is done, I'll connect the control board. Then what I have to do is, after connecting the control board, I'll write these files onto it, the immooff files onto it. Then from there, maybe I'll call it FX, because I'm having only 2 code in the control unit, which is ECU fault, ECU control fault, and something. So I'll try and wait for the flash file to finish, because it is a huge file. So it is done successfully. So this one I'll write immooff flash, immooff flash. And then I'll save it and okay, so VW is in VW. Okay, so now what I have to do is I have to go back and check my pin out. The ECU is ME 17.5.6. so it will decode and tell me the ECU processor. Yeah, so here is the processor the ECU is using. Click OK, go to wiring diagram so that I can identify it properly. So from here I'll do the connection, then I'll write the immooff file onto the vehicle. I'll do the connection, then I'll write the immooff file onto it. Store, it gives me the immooff, so I'll choose this one. This one is the EEPROM file, so I'll let it read, then I'll bring you guys back. Then after that I'll do the flash, the immooff flash. I'll do that one also successfully. So now let me go back and restore the flash and see if it will work. So this is the immooff flash. So let me do the restore, then go and put it on the vehicle and see if it works and the car is running. I'm good to go. Maybe I'll come and write the original file and see if there will be anything wrong with it. But for now, I'm waiting for it to finish. And the immooff flash is almost done, so I'll wait for it to finish. Then I'll disconnect the ECU and go and connect it and see the issue that will be having. It's restored successfully and I'm done. So let me do disconnect, then I'll disconnect it and go and place it on the car and see the after the immooff, although we have the immooff active light on, the car is a runner. Oh, it's such a difficult starting. Sorry, no order that. Wow. So I'll start it again, and now it runs. Although the immobilizer light is on, it's running, and launch has done it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. After a while now, what I did was the original ECU file on the vehicle, on the control board, that's what I did the immooff on with the launch. And now you can see there is no immobilizer active fault code, and it can start and run now. So it starts and run now, but my only issue is I have to let it start and run for a while, then I'll check 1 or 2 things. But I'm having these problems in it, evap issues, which was not in the other one. So maybe later I'll come and update it. When I update the ECU, then from there I'll know what to do. So now I can accelerate and everything is working. But let me check, everything is working. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I wrote the file on the ECU itself. I didn't change it, so I just did immooff on that original file, and now it is working. With the immooff, everything is working, and you can see there is nothing. Yeah, there is nothing related to immo. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.